Alright guys, we got my cousin here, Eric, aka Joker_392. I don't know if you guys heard, but some drunk guy decided to crash into his car and drive away, totally destroying the original Joker392. However, my cousin bounced back. You guys ready to see what he bounced back with? You want to tell everybody what you got, or you want me to just show it?
Show it.
Alright, let's see what he got. A 2020 Widebody Scat Pack in Hell Raisin. Is it Hell Raisin Purple or just Hell Raisin?
Just Hell Raisin.
Just Hell Raisin. Awesome. Look at those arches. It looks dusty from all the ashes.
Yes, it does. Do you want me to pop the hood?
Oh, you got some hood goodies. Let's pop the hood. Boom. Oh, damn. You wasted like 0 time. What?
Sturdy. Sturdy.
When you popped the hood, that was my reaction right there.
Super dirty.
It's alright. It just means you drive it. Dude.
2 low miles. 2 low miles.
Dude, this looks so good.
Few missing pieces. Bill of Technology will be changing the purple up, so there will be a whole new purple coming.
Yeah.
Some different engraving going to be coming, a little more elaborate. Vinyl will be Friday, so.
Okay.
I mean, if y'all want to stay tuned.
Yeah, stay tuned for vinyl on Friday. Oh, the 2020s don't have the
Snorkels, no.
the snorkels.
No, they changed the whole front end on it.
Yeah.
That's what's. The body lines on this car are amazing.
Yeah. The one thing I wanted to point out is this is my first time actually seeing a 2020 wide-body Charger in person.
Not even in a Hellcat, huh?
No, I haven't seen one in person.
Jeez, wait till you see the spoiler on this that's coming. SRT Hellcat spoiler.
You're gonna put a Hellcat spoiler on this?
Hell yeah, I am.
Tell me what you found on the ground.
I found a bee.
You found a bee? Show me.
And I picked it up by its wing. It's a black bee, I think.
Gotcha. Those tires are so fat.
Fucking A, dude. 305s in the front are ridiculous.
Yeah, dude.
Totally different feel, high speeds. This car is different.
We're gonna have to go for a ride.
Yeah.
Let's go for a ride. Yeah, track mode. Oh, there it is. Dude, it sounds so good. And you don't hear there's no drone, and you don't hear it in the middle of the car or the cabin. You only hear the exhaust from the back.
It's Corsa, baby.
Yeah.
What do you want?
Well, I have a Corsa
That's
on
what
my
I'm saying.
GTR,
You
so.
have the best, you pay for the best.
Yeah. Oh, good lord. All right, do that again. Oh,
This car is an animal.
it is, dude. That was good. You can definitely feel the torque.
Throttle response is killer with the throttle body.
You have a throttle body on there?
Oh, I did everything. I just gotta get it tuned.
Okay. Okay, so you've got the exhaust, you've got a throttle body, and you've got the intake.
Ignition coils as well.
And ignition coils. You wasted no time. You've had this car for how long?
Less than 2 weeks.
There was a yellow Challenger back there. We thought he would try to get next to us and race us, but must be a V6. I do miss the sound. Not gonna lie, I do miss the
How can
sound.
you not miss the sound of a 392?
It sounds really good with this Corsa exhaust. It's really loud too, like outside.
They did a great job.
Yeah.
I mean, with the active exhaust valves.
Dude, the wide body, it looks so good. So they built this one for you.
Yeah, this is built for here.
I like that.
There's not going to be, well, I mean, there will obviously be others like it, but
What?
nothing will ever be this car.
Right.
Once it's done, just give it a few days.
We got some surprises coming up.
Oh, yeah.
All right, I'm gonna make this vlog take a long time so that way I can have them send me some clips of whatever these surprises are. These visual body modifications
To the car.
to the car. Well, well, thanks for giving us a ride in it. We appreciate it. It sounds good. It looks good. It's nice and fast. When are you gonna get it tuned?
That's definitely in the works, in the talks. I'll tune it myself. I'll get the,
What?
yeah, I'll have a Trinity EX PCM swap. Yep. I'll tune it myself, 91 octane, and be sitting at 600 horsepower, easy.
Nice. We'll have to do a couple runs together
Absolutely.
once you get
You'll
that.
still beat me because you weigh less.
Yeah, not by much though.
Yeah.
How much do
once
you think?
Once I'm done, you'll never beat me, bro. Well, okay, depending on how much money you want to dump into the GTR. I'm just saying I have some ideas that
What?
are going to make this.
You gonna put a supercharger on it?
This is going to be able to run with a stock Demon at 900. It
All
may
right.
not beat it, but it will definitely
Well,
pace with it.
you guys heard it.
Give it time. It ain't going to be tomorrow. Ain't going to be next month.
Yeah.
But it'll happen.
All right. Well, we look forward to it. We definitely look forward to
Right
it.
on. Well, thanks for having me on your YouTube channel, bro.
Yeah, for sure.
As always.
We're not done yet.
What do you mean you're not
I'm
done?
gonna make you launch it. We're gonna get it.
I'm not launching it.
At
Not
some
till
point.
1,500. I'll give you 1,500. I'll come over legitimately and do a launch with it.